Let me take you through how to make a 360-degree flare. So I'm using this for the down part of my gown. So first of all, you're going to fold your fabric in 2 and further fold it in 4. I'm using a Mikado fabric, so I have to pin it down for it to be in place. So now this is what we have. I have this chart for the waist guide, for the waist radius. So check your waist and know the guide. After knowing mine, I just went ahead and take the radius round from the center, from that pointed center. Just see the way I'm doing it now. You're just going to take your tape rule and measure whatever the radius give to your waist circumference. So now I'm just going to confirm what I have there if it's equal to what I need. But then it's just my waist, my exact waist measurement. So I need allowance because I'm cutting the front and the back together. So now I added ½ inch rounded, which should give me about 1½ inch for allowance at the end of the day. So with this, I will have my zipper allowance from it, and I also have my sewing allowance. So now from that point, you're going to take your full skirt guide, your full skirt length rather. You're going to place it on that all round. For the length I'm working with, this will not be enough, so I have to add another fabric to this point that wasn't enough. Just watch what I'm doing. I'll cut this out now. So now this is what it looks like. I'll cut out the midpoint as well. So now I went ahead to fold another fabric. See what we have here. Now I'm going to fold this into 2, which makes it folded into 4 again. Now I'm going to pin this down on the main fabric by ½ inch. It will overlay each other by ½ inch, just like this. Now I'm going to retake my measurement for this side for the full length of the skirt I'm working with. Now this is what it will look like. You're going to connect that line to the existing one. And you're just going to cut that out. If you're working with a longer length, this is how you achieve it. You cannot go ahead and join it to the main skirt and then attach it to your gown or your skirt or make it your skirt. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.